What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sheik back here on this beautiful Sunday. We are gearing up for a short week of trading. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm watching this week and the levels and some analysis on what's going on this week. First thing I want to start with before we head into SPY is Tesla. Today, news dropped that their delivery numbers came out. Record delivery numbers for Q2, beating out all estimates. So I'm thinking this is gonna fly tomorrow as overnight sessions open up. I'm gonna show you something, guys. This was from Robinhood's overnight session. Looks like Tesla is already up $18 in overnight session. It's tapped as 280. It's a little lower now, but I'm expecting a huge big gap up in the morning. So let me get right into what I'm looking at. So we've been struggling to break this 265 level, 262 to 265 level right here on a daily. Break above that is sending us about 276. Now, we already tapped 280 on here, which is basically around right here somewhere, 280, which is basically our next level, right? Tap that. Right now we're back down to 275, which is what we're testing. I'm expecting it to open between 275 280. What I'm going to be looking for is a gap and go, which would send us to my next target of 300. This is where I see us hitting some major resistance and possibly having a pullback. But as far as open tomorrow, I think we're just going to gap and go as long as we stay above this 275 area at open. So that's what I would keep an eye on. Nothing much else. The news is great. Obviously, it's already gapped up, so we'll just see if it's opening under 275. We might be selling off the news as people take some profit, but 275 is the level I'm looking for it to hold. 280, and then 300. So those are the levels for Tesla. Now let's get into SPY weekly. Outside bar, inside bar, and a huge outside bar with volume. So this is looking very bullish. We finally broke above this 440, 438. We filled the gap that we had on our daily. We have a couple gaps that we have to fill. I'm sorry. We have this big gap, obviously. What I would love to see is first to come back and retest 438 before we rocket ahead. But with tech chips looking so strong, I don't even think we're going to see that. We might just blow off the top. 444 is the level I'm looking to break. Above this, we have a lot of room to 450, right about here, and then about 458 and 462. So levels 444 break, 4 calls. Under this 441, we can fill this gap to 438. Underneath this, we're probably going back to 432, but I really highly doubt we're going to break under this. We're in very bullish territory right now. The highest likely scenario is that we gap and go tomorrow as well. And then sometime in the next few weeks, once we hit this 450 area, we'll probably come back and possibly fill these gaps right here. But I'm very bullish on this week. Short week, so I'm not really looking to get into anything ODT. I'll probably be trading more futures and then handling some next week contracts for some bigger ticker names. So but yeah, 444 break, we take off to 450. Same thing with the Qs. Left a gap here. Very bullish as well. Above this 371, we're gonna probably go ahead and see 382, somewhere around there. Possibly this 377 first, but very bullish. Again, the weekly looks huge. Bullish engulfing candle right here on the outside day. So I'm very bullish on the market right now. Obviously, the tech has been ripping, chips are ripping, but my initial break right here is 371. Let's look at the hourly and see if we can find any other levels. Yep, I'd say about 370.5, 371. We take out this high over here, 372. Probably gonna go see 380, 382 levels. So keep an eye on QQQs. 371 is my break and go. I'm really liking this hold of 368 right here, 369 as we've been holding. Another bounce could be 366 if we break under here. So keep an eye on this, but I do think we're going to blast up just by looking on what Tesla's been doing, but nvda and AMD are doing, and Amazon as well. So let's check out AMD actually. So AMD, as you guys know, swinging a 125 call for next month. I believe it's July 21st expiration. So that's my target. I think we're going to go further than that. But we came down and held this 105. We're swinging back past this 112. We filled the gap. My target is 117 for this week, 118 area. Above that, obviously 120 and 125. So those are the levels I'm looking for. If we break back under this 110, we're probably going to go back to 105. So 110 is my breakdown level. Let's see, 112.5. And then 105 is my target. Above here, above this 114, 115 area, we're going to 117 and then 120. So those are the levels I'm looking at for that. But again, I'm expecting some bullish momentum as we look at nvda, and I'll show you guys what I mean when I'm talking about bullish on chips. Now, nvda came back down and created a bull flag here, and it's looking like it's starting to break out above this 420 level, and it's holding above. That's what I want to see, is a hold above this this 420 level. If we can hold this 420 level right here, our next target should be 430 and then 440, which is all-time highs. After that, anything's possible, but I'm looking at 450, 460 as a target for the next month. But as you can tell, AMD usually follows nvda. nvda's on a roll. We might see another push here, so I'm bullish on chips as well. Bullish overall in the market, but anything can happen. Any news can come out, take its right out. But Amazon, another very bullish name. It's been on a roll. Look at this weekly, just an absolute rocket ship. Daily candles, the daily, it's looking like it's holding this 130 level. If we can hold this 130, we're probably going to go see 134, 137 area. As you can see right here, 130 hold, go back up to 134, and then 137, where are you at? 137, 138 area right here. So these are my targets for that. If we break back under 130, then we're probably going to 125. Last but not least, what I'm really, really excited about is Microsoft. Microsoft, huge cup and handle on the daily. Bull flag. If we can break out and break above this high, I have some swing targets of 428, 430 area. As of right now for daily targets, the hourly, I'm really liking that we're holding 340. If we can hold this 340, we push up to this this break of this bull flag and head up to 350. If we break under here, obviously 338 is another bounce area I'm looking at, and ultimately 334. So those are what I'm looking at. That's my week. As always, thank you for watching these videos. Please like, share, subscribe all these videos. I want to get as much education out there as I can for DTK. We are always live trading every morning, so join us on the Discord. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at DTK Chic for Twitter and Chic Up Your Life for Instagram. Those will be in the bio. But thank you all for joining me. Hope you guys have a great Sunday. If you're not trading the next couple of days, happy 4th of July. Stay safe out there. We'll see you guys Wednesday. Peace.